Hello, my name is Marlena. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my home. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to be doing an early morning clean with me. It is pretty early right now. It's about 4:30 in the morning. My husband has left for work and I just can't go back to sleep right now. I'm actually going to be having a few people over today, and so I need to get this like lower main level area of my house just nice and clean, like the entryway, the guest bathroom, the kitchen obviously. I have a bunch of laundry I need to fold and just need to get this whole area like looking really nice, so that way when I have my guests over a little later on this morning, everything's nice and ready. And so since I can't sleep, I am just going to go ahead and start cleaning now. My boys are still asleep, and so I'll be able to hopefully get everything done before they wake up. That way I'm just ready to go. I can just spend a little bit more time with them this morning, and yet my house will be ready for my guests as well. So that is the plan this morning. And hopefully we'll be able to see the sunrise here in a little bit. It'll be beautiful. And so let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with the entryway and just get that all nice and clean and wiped down. I'm not going to vacuum yet until my boys are up, until a little later, because it's a little loud and I'm trying to be quiet. So let's start with the entryway. With the entry areas, and I've now moved on into the bathroom here. I'm going to very quickly just get this all nice and clean, starting with the sink and mirror, and then I'll move on to the toilet and just wipe up around the floor. And I'm going to try and do it very quickly and quietly because I did hear my boys like moving around upstairs, so they need to stay asleep. I also forgot to say at the very beginning, like, I'm totally still in my pajamas, no makeup, so don't judge me, okay? Let's start cleaning.
day turns into night, it's you. Under my eyelid, one big fight, it's you. Well, everything can go to pieces.
So we are all finished in the bathroom, and I have now moved on into the kitchen here. And last night I ran the dishwasher, and I still had some dishes in the sink though, so unfortunately there are some dishes in the sink, and I'm going to go ahead and start by unloading the dishwasher, and then I'll get the dishes in the sink taken care of. Ah, fly, sorry. And then I just need to kind of clean and organize, declutter is what I meant to say. I'm sorry, it's still so early. Hopefully we'll be able to see the sunrise here soon though. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the kitchen.
Same, it's you. Now everything can go to pieces. I don't care. Like the sun kisses the clouds, it's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture. Like the sun kisses the clouds, it's game on. Save some light, build some strength. We're gonna go past forever. Tell me that you're ready, tell me that you're ready. We're gonna go past forever.
Beautiful. Okay, so I am all finished with the dishes, and I am just going to start wiping down some of the counters now. Just get everything nice wiped down, put some of the items away, and then I will also move on onto the table and these little side counters, put all those items away and get everything up here nice and wiped down. I have a feeling by then my boys will probably be awake. And so I'm just going to get as far as I can and then hopefully get a bunch of clothes folded, but let's go ahead and get started with the counters.
So if I stay, would you be lying to me? Got away. The memories are our mistakes, we can never make it true. Our deception slips right through. What did I do? I must have been so careless. Progress too soon, but you got me so breathless. Can we work it out this time? Though you got money on your mind. So raindrops that fell was just another delay. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu.
Okay, so I'm all finished in the kitchen now, and I have wiped all the counters and the table off. So the last thing that I'd like to get done in here today, hopefully before my boys wake up, is getting a little bit of this laundry folded behind me. That's a good like 2 loads right there. So I'm gonna try as fast as I can to fold as fast as I can. And then once my boys are up and things like that, I will sweep and vacuum, probably a little closer to when my guests are actually arriving, just because it'll get really crummy and sandy in here in the meantime. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started on some clothes.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun for you and I. Carefree attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
We are all finished for today. I have got all my cleaning done that I wanted to get done this morning before the boys woke up, and so I'm so happy that everything is done. I need to go get myself ready and dressed, and need to put on some makeup, do my hair, all that good stuff before my guests arrive. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider watching another one. I will see you guys very soon. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!